um, you know what the angle sum property of triangles is. Angle sum property of the triangle. What do you know about the angle sum property of the triangle? In a triangle, how many interior angles are there? 3 interior angles. Their sum is 180. That is theorem 6.7. Theorem 6.7. Important theorem. You have to learn this. Proof also we have to learn. The sum of angles, all the angles, sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. This theorem is called angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the angles meaning interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. How can you prove this result? The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. By experimental method we can prove this. How? With the protractor, measure angle A, measure angle B, measure angle C. Take the sum. What do you get? We get angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. That is what we are going to prove here. So this is an important proof. It is also a very simple proof. So learn this by heart. The sum of all the angles, interior angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. We want to show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property. You have learned this earlier. This result. And we are familiar with this without logical proof. Only by experimental proof we have established this result in the earlier classes. Now we can apply. Now we can prove this result using the properties of parallel lines. Properties. To prove the result, consider this figure. Triangle ABC. Draw a line parallel to AB through C. Draw a parallel line parallel to AB through C. Line L. Line L is parallel to AB. Line L is parallel to AB. These two are parallel lines. What about AC? AC is a transversal. What about BC? BC is also a transversal, another transversal. AC and BC are transversals. Now, what are the angles formed here? Suppose the measure of this angle is A, the measure of this angle is B, and the measure of this angle is C. ABC. Since AC is a transversal, what is the relation between these two angles? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. What is the property of what are the properties of alternate interior angles? Alternate, when two lines are intersected by a transversal, the alternate interiors so formed are equal. So this measure is also A. This angle A, so this angle is also A. Using the same argument, with the help of same argument, we can say that what is the measure of B? The measure of B, measure of this angle So this angle is same as B. Alternate angles, alternate interior angles. Since these two lines are parallel, the alternate interior angles so formed are equal. Alternate interior angles so formed are equal. That is, here the angle, the measure of this angle, that is XCA is same as angle A. Measure of YCB is same as B. Now, angle A means A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. That is the sum of the interior, that is what we want to prove. A plus B plus C equal to 180. Prove that. This or this. No. And this measure angle A. So this is also angle A. This is C itself. B. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Now, what is A plus B plus A plus C plus B? A plus C plus B here. A plus C plus B, the total angle, this angle. What do you call this such an angle? Straight angle. Straight angle. What is the measure of straight angle? 180. So A plus C plus B equal to 180. Reason straight angle. So what is A? A means angle A plus and C angle C. B angle B equal to 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is what is called the angle sum property of triangle using the idea of parallel lines and transversal. Once again, to prove that A plus B plus C equal to 180, draw a line parallel to AB through C. These two lines are parallel. AC is a transversal, BC is also a transversal. Then, since this measure is A, this is also A. This measure is B, this also B. Alternate interior angles. Then A plus C plus B equal to 180, straight angle. So A plus B plus C equal to 180. Because these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, 180. This is what is called the angle sum property of triangles. We have 6.7. Now let us consider another theorem. Theorem 6.8. Theorem 6.8. Theorem 6.8. Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Theorem. If one side of a triangle is produced in triangle ABC, see ABC, AB is produced like this. Let this be B. What is this angle CBD? It is an exterior angle of the triangle. Exterior angle. How can you make exterior angles of a triangle? By producing sides in a particular manner. In the same manner. See, ABC. AB produced in this manner. We get one exterior angle. Produce BC in this manner. We get another exterior angle. And then CA produced, we get a third exterior angle. So 3 exterior angles. Now consider this. If one side of a triangle is extended or produced, the exterior angle so formed, the measure of the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the measures of opposite interior angles. Opposite. This is the adjacent interior angle. These are the opposite interior angles. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of It's a opposite interior angles. This is adjacent angle. What is the sum of these two angles? 180 linear pair. This is a line. This is a ray. So on the line, we get a linear pair axiom according to this. Okay. Now, suppose this measure is x and this measure is y. Then what is the meaning of exterior angle theorem? The measure of z equal to x plus y. Exterior angle theorem says that z equal to x plus y. How can you prove this? Can you prove this? Yes. We want to show that x plus y equal to z. What is the measure of this angle? Say P. P equal to 180 minus z. P equal to 180 minus z. Linear pair axiom by axiom 6.1, 6.2. Linear pair axiom. Now, what is x plus y plus p? 180 degrees. What is the reason? X plus y plus p equal to 180 degrees. Reason? The angles and property of the triangle. Sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180. We have already just proved. Then x plus y plus p equal to 180. Angle sum property of the triangle. Now combine these two. Instead of p, we can write 180 minus z. So this is x plus y plus p in the place of p. 180 minus z equal to 180. 180. This gives x plus y equal to 180 minus 180 plus z. Transfer this, transpose 180, positive 180 becomes minus 180. Minus z becomes plus z. 180 minus 180, 0. X plus y equal to z. This is what is exterior angle theorem. So, read it, textbook pages 105 to 107. Do and study examples 7 and 8. Then do exercise 6.3 on the questions. Thank you.